channel Studyship with Krati, and here I am glad to serve the video like this. कल ही मैंने एक YT short डाला था regarding the thing that I'm gonna be reactive onto this channel, and this is something that I'm taking seriously into 2022 because I consumed a lot of content to 2021, and just to make sure is it the thing that I really wanna do. So let's go here. We're gonna start our journey from here, and we'll be sharing you some of the current affairs as well as the GK topics that we need to discuss. तो उसके लिए वीडियो आएगा. As you can see that I have my whiteboard. मैंने last time Studyship with Krati के लिए जब वीडियो बनाया था ना, that was from here. Okay, and I am actually doing it after almost maybe 3 or 4 months. तो नहीं एक्चुअली ये जो वाइट बोर्ड पे जो मैंने लिखा हुआ है ना, दिस वाज समथिंग दैट आई डिड आज से जब कोरोना फैब के टाइम पे आया था ना. ओके, I made video onto it on June 2020 and it's been almost 1.5 year to me. तो अभी मेरे को ये सारा जो है क्लीन करके दोबारा से आप लोगों के लिए वीडियो बनाना है. So this is going to be actually fun. Looking forward to see you all. I know ये चैनल डेड है, ऑलमोस्ट डेड है, और किसी भी डेड चैनल को एक्टिव करने के लिए it takes lot of effort. So here we are back to make it. So do let me in the comment section what kind of a current affair do you want me to make, because I'm just trying to cover up the general topic that create interest to me as well as to the people who are onto this channel, or ये education से related भी है, because that's what all I wanna do here. So yeah, let's see into our upcoming video that what we are going to serve you all. Please feel free to let me know your views in comment section. Until then, bye bye for now. Hit the like button to this video, share this video and subscribe Studyship with Krati for more such kind of video content. मिलेंगे हमारे अगले वीडियो में. Bye bye.